Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how I make this creamy ice cream. And I hope you'll enjoy. So let's start. Just before the milk becomes very warm, you add in your egg and then you keep stirring gradually till it thickens. By now our sugar has already dissolved, so we'll keep stirring this and make sure it's on low heat until it forms a thick paste. By now I can feel it becoming thicker and thicker. It's becoming heavier, as you can also see. And we'll continue for about 5 more minutes. Then I think it will be ready by then. It's been about 2.5 minutes and I think mine is ready. So I'll switch off the heat and let this cool for about 2 to 3 hours, then I'll be back. So because the pan is already hot, we need to change the pan and put it in a container so that it can stop cooking, because if we leave it like this and the pan is already hot, continue cooking for a few more minutes, which we do not want. So I'll change this and put it into another dish. It's been about 3 hours and this is how our ice cream looks like. So we'll stir, then we can add our flavors, then we can freeze it. So at this point we'll blend it so that we can get the perfect consistency, and then we can add our flavors. I've divided mine into two because they are making two flavors, and one we're going to add the vanilla and the other one you're going to add strawberry flavors. I'll start with the vanilla one because the red food color can get a bit messy at times.
So here's my heart for you to hold. Feel it beat, feel the warm blood flow through my core. Feel it thaw out. Yeah, I felt the feel, but I pushed through. It's so worth loving you. You wanted more, and so I thought out. And I knew you were worth it, and I knew this could work. Yeah, I could only let you win, but I was free. 'Cause I'm not running away. I'm not running away. I will feel the pain and stay. I'm not running again. I'm not running again. Even though I'm scared, baby. And I won't freeze you out like I have been. I won't freeze you out. I'm gonna let you in. And I won't freeze you out like I have been. I won't freeze you out. My heart is melting. My heart is melting. I won't freeze you out. My heart is melting.
Then we'll freeze this for 5 to 8 hours.
I'm not running away. I'm not running away.
We'll blend this one more time. Then we can pack it into the container and then chill it for about 8 to 12 hours or overnight. Then our ice cream will be ready. This is how it currently looks like.
And I won't freeze you out like I have been. I won't freeze you out. I'm gonna let you in. And I won't freeze you out like I have been. I won't freeze you out. My heart is melting. And I won't freeze you out like I have been. I won't freeze you out. I'm gonna let you in. And I won't freeze you out like I have been. I won't freeze you out. My heart is melting.
Then now you can freeze it for about 8 to 12 hours, or you can leave it overnight and by morning it's going to be fine. So I'll be back in the morning to show you the results of what you made.
Eventually,
12 hours later and my ice cream is ready, and it has been sitting for about 15 minutes because my spoon is not as strong as a scoop. And now we can serve. Oh, it's creamy. And there we have it. flavors. Wow. The coffee and the vanilla is just awesome. The strawberry also is also fine, but I love the coffee and the vanilla more than the strawberry because I'm used to the strawberry. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe because most of you are watching and have not yet subscribed. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you next time. Hey, kahoma. Oi, Jehova. Lakini the weather was so promising jana. And the day before yesterday and the previous day before yesterday, the weather has been so promising, so I thought I should make ice cream. Lakini siku enye ice cream imemaliza kuiva. There are no clouds. There was no sunrise.
It was a big disappointment.
There's no afternoon sun because it is around 2 p.m. and it's still dull. But hey, ice cream is ready.
Beep, beep, beep.